Hi, I'm Alex. I'm going to change your face up. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Alex, the same person.
The same person?
You little devil.
Oh, there's
You angel. Cupid. Oh, little Cupid. What's the best for me? Hi. I'm Alex and I have a Down syndrome. This is oh my god! That's so gross.
Now go down lower, watch. A little bit lower, no, a little bit up. Oh, it's on me! Go a little bit. Now. Okay. Get ready.
Why did my mom have to be a bitch? Okay, why did my dad
Go down. Ooh, she's mad right now. Get up. She's mad. Not yet. Oh, whoops. Oh, me!
Oh yeah.
Go, go.
Oh, is that just my face?
Do you want your faces?
And where's this one at? Oh,
Okay.
God. Oh god!
Last one, okay. This one, she does it every night when she looks at the moon.
Yeah, totally.
Bye.
Tito Widows.